Good morning, everyone. I am so happy that you are here today. Today, I have my friend Gracie, who is going to help us talk about liquids and solids. Gracie, can you say hi, everyone?
Hi.
All right, so we're talking about liquids and solids.
What are we making?
Let's see, is this a liquid or a solid? What do you think?
Liquid.
You think it's a liquid? Why do you think it's a liquid?
Because the water don't spill.
It does. It can spill, right? It's liquid. What do you think ice is? Is ice a liquid or is it a solid?
A solid.
How do you know it's a solid? Why? How does that feel?
Cold.
It's cold. Is it wet or is it dry?
It's dry cold.
It's dry, but what happens if you rub the ice? What happens to it? Does it stay a solid or does it turn to a liquid?
It's liquid.
You think it will? Okay, so let's look at some orange liquid. How do you think we could make orange liquid?
With red.
There are two colors that make orange. Do you remember what they are? What color is that?
Red.
What color is the top?
Yellow.
Yellow. What color is the top of this one?
Red.
Red. Okay, so I want you to take the yellow and make 4 drops into that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's okay. What color does that look like? What color do you see?
Orange.
Orange and what?
Yellow.
And yellow. What do you think will happen if you add a drop of red? What do you think? Let's see. Let's see what happens. Put it in this one. All right. What's happening? What do you see?
I see brown.
What's happening to it?
It's good.
Is it mixing together? What color is it making as it mixes together?
It's gonna be yellow.
Yellow and red. What color are they making together?
Orange.
They're making orange. That's right. All right. Does this have any color in it? All right. So we have a solid, right? We said the ice was a solid. What do you think will happen if you put it into this cup? Let's watch. Can you drop it in? Woo! What's happening?
It's changing.
What's changing?
The ice.
The ice is changing. What about the color in the water? What's happening to that?
It's making orange again.
It is making orange. Why do you think the color is changing in this cup?
Because
What do you think is happening to the ice?
it will melt.
It's melting. So what happens when we put cold ice into something warm?
Yeah, it makes cold.
It melts, right? It melts the ice. So why do you think the color of the water is changing?
It's changing orange.
It's changing to orange because the ice is...
Look, it's almost done.
It is. It's almost the same color. Why do you think it's turning orange? Because the ice is melting, and the ice was, what color was the ice?
It was red and yellow.
The ice was orange. Red and yellow make orange. Now, what if we take it out? Let's look at it now. Is it larger or is it smaller than when we put it in?
It's larger.
It's larger, or do you think it looks smaller?
It's like smaller.
It does look smaller. Why do you think it's smaller?
Because
What happened when we put it in the warm water?
it looks smaller.
It melted. It became smaller. Do you think it will change more orange if you put it in that cup? You want to try it? Let's see. So if ice is a solid, what happens when it melts? What does it become?
The water's warm.
What happens to the ice? It starts as a solid, but when it gets warm, it turns back into a what? A
Color.
liquid, right? We said the water was liquid. Do you want to keep playing? Okay, can you tell everyone have a good day?
Have a good day.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for